Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send and get WhatsApp message on Typeform submission using AiSensy. So let's suppose I'm running a marketing agency and I'm collecting all my potential leads with the help of Typeform. Now I want that whenever someone submits this form, they should receive a welcome message, and the same message should be received by me, giving me the details of this lead. Now to do this automation, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Typeform and AiSensy. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take this Typeform from where I will receive new form submission, and this complete workflow here will get triggered. And then in my action application, I am going to take AiSensy, with the help of which I am going to send welcome message, and then again AiSensy, with the help of which I will receive the WhatsApp message giving me the details of the lead. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send and get WhatsApp message on Typeform submission. For this, we are going to create automation between Typeform and AiSensy with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create your own folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. And first I need to provide the workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first let's name this workflow as send and get WhatsApp message on Typeform submission using AiSensy. Now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this WhatsApp automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send and get WhatsApp message on Typeform submission, which means whenever a new Typeform submission will be received, a WhatsApp message will be sent to my customer, and the same message will be received by me, giving me the details of the new lead, which means whenever I will receive a new Typeform submission, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So whenever a form submission happens, action says do this, send and get WhatsApp message. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take Typeform, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take new entry. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Typeform, for which I need to click on this connect, and if you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Typeform. Now over here, as I've already logged in my Typeform account, I just need to grant away some permissions, for which I need to click on this accept, and it is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for easy authorization, and here authorization successful. Now Typeform is connected with Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down I need to select the form that I'll be running. So to enter this, let me take you to my Typeform account. So this is my Typeform account, and this is the form that I'll be running, customer contact form, and it has all these fields: first name, last name, phone number and email address. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down select my form as customer contact form and then click on the save and send test request. Now over here I can see this waiting for the response, and here it's written once you have clicked over the save and send test request button, then do a test submission in that application in order to capture the response here. So as to get the response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to submit a form, and for that I'm going to click on the share, And here the link to the form is provided to me. So I'm simply going to copy this and paste that link over here in a new tab. And then I have to enter some dummy details in all these fields. So let's say my first name is new, then my last name is user, then my phone number is, and then my email address is new@pabblytudes.com. Now I'm going to click on this submit. So as soon as I've submitted this form, this detail should be captured in my Pabbly Connect. So let's open my Pabbly Connect and I can see I have instantly received the response. The first name is new, last name is user, phone number is this, email address is new@pabblytudes.com. This means I have received the response in my Pabbly Connect and the connection that we have created between Typeform and Pabbly Connect is successful, and now whenever someone will fill the form, I will start receiving that response in my Pabbly Connect. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I receive a new Typeform submission, I want to send a WhatsApp message to that new lead. So here in my action application, I am going to take this WhatsApp by AiSensy, and then in my action event, I am going to take this send template message and then click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and then to make this connection we have to enter the API key. So to enter this, let me take you to my AiSensy account. So this is my AiSensy dashboard, and on the left hand side we can see all these options. Here on the left hand side I have to click on this manage, and then on the left hand side itself I can see this API keys. So I will open this, and as soon as I open this, I am provided with the API key. So I will copy this API key and paste that over here in my Pabbly Connect and then click on this save. So WhatsApp by AiSensy is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is campaign name, and to enter this, let me take you to my AiSensy account. So on the left hand side, I have to click this manage, and then I have to click this all. Now over here I have created these two templates, marketing send and marketing receive. So let's open this message. So here this is my template, hello demo. This is the custom variable which will keep on changing whenever I will receive the new lead. So this will keep changing with the name of the new lead. Hello demo, thank you for reaching out to Nexus Marketing. We are thrilled to hear about your interest in our service. A member of our team will be in touch shortly to discuss how we can achieve your goals. If you have any immediate questions, feel free to reply to this message. We are here for you. Thanks, best regards, Nexus Marketing. So this is the template that I have created, and if you want to create a new template, you simply have to click on this new on the top right corner, and then you have to enter all these details. And then I have also created a same template, marketing receive. This is the template. So I have created a campaign for both of these templates. So on the left hand side itself you can see this campaigns option. So we are going to open this, and this is the template that I want to send, marketing send. So here as you can see, this is the same message template that we have created, and now I'm simply going to copy the name of my campaign and then going to paste that over here. And then I have to enter the mobile number and the username, and to enter these I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So here as you can see, I have received my response from Typeform, and as I click on this mobile number field, this will appear in front of me, and when I click on this I can see all the responses that I have received from Typeform. So here I have to enter the phone number, which was this one, and when I click on this phone number was entered. Now I have to enter the username. So I will follow the same process and enter the username as the name of the lead, which was new user. Now I will put space between these two, and then I have to put the template parameter. So source and tags are not required fields, so I am going to skip this, and I am going to enter the template parameter. So it's written enter the parameter values to be filled in a template message. Here the parameter value should be comma separated, example this. So as you can see, as in this template I just have one parameter, which is the name of the lead. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and simply map the name of the lead, which is new user. So now as I just have one template parameter, I have entered that as the name of the customer, but if I had many, I've put comma and then map the other parameters. Now as I have just one over here, I have mapped that as the name of the lead. Now over here, attributes, URL and file name are not required, and if you want to send any file, you can enter the name of the file over here. Now after entering all these details, I'm going to remove this phone number as this is a dummy phone number and enter my own WhatsApp phone number so that I can show you the message that I will receive on my number. So over here, I'm going to remove this and enter my own number. And after entering my own phone number, I simply have to click on this save and send test request. So here we have received the response. The result is true. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received this response there or not. So here I have instantly received the WhatsApp message, hello new user. So here the name has been replaced with the name of the lead. Thank you for reaching out to Nexus Marketing. We are thrilled to hear about your interest in our service. A member of our team will be in touch shortly to discuss how we can help you achieve your goals. If you have any immediate questions, feel free to reply to this message. We are here for you. Thanks, best regards, Nexus Marketing. So as you can see, this is the same template that we have created in AiSensy, and we have received the same message in my WhatsApp. Now moving on to the next step, I want to receive this message in my WhatsApp number. So I am going to take AiSensy as my action application again. And then in my action event, I am going to take this send template message and then click on this connect. Now as I have an existing connection, I am simply going to click on this save, and WhatsApp by AiSensy is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter this campaign name. So now I will go back to AiSensy, and in this manage section, here in the all section, I can see this marketing receive. So this is the message template that I have created that I want to receive whenever a new form submission happens. So here, new inquiry alert. You have a new potential client who just submitted a contact form through Typeform. Details, name, email, phone. Please follow up promptly to provide them with assistance they need. Thanks, Nexus Marketing. So this is the template, and I have also created the campaign for the same template. So on the left hand side, I will click on this campaign section, and here I can see this marketing receive. So this is the same message template that I have created. So now this is the name of the campaign. So I'm going to copy this and paste that campaign name over here. Now I need to enter my mobile number. So I'm going to follow the same process that I have used in my previous action step. And then I'm going to map the phone number as this one. And then I need to enter the username. So in this username, I'm going to enter the name of the lead, which was new user. Now I need to enter the mobile number. So in this field, I'm simply going to enter my own WhatsApp phone number where I want to receive this message. And then after entering the mobile number, I have to enter the username. So I'm just entering the name of the lead, and then I have to enter the template parameter. So here, as in this template, I have these three parameters, which is name, email and phone. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and in this drop down I can see the name. So I will first map the name, and then I have to separate these parameters with the help of comma. So I will put comma, space, and then I will enter the email address, which was new@pabblytools.com. Then enter the comma and then enter the phone number. Now over here, I do not have this attribute, URL or file name, so I am going to skip this and leave this blank. And over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering the phone, username and the template parameter, I simply have to scroll down and click on the save and send test request. So here I have received the response. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received this WhatsApp message there or not. So here I can see I have instantly received this message also. New inquiry alert. You have a potential client who submitted a contact form through Typeform. Here are the details. The name was new user. Email address was new@pabblytools.com. And then this was the phone number. Now so as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's open my contact form and fill some other form with some other details. So here let's say this time my first name is, then my last name is user, then my phone number is, and then my email address is latest@pabblytools.com, and then I'm going to click on the submit. So as soon as I've submitted my form, I should receive the WhatsApp message giving me the details of the lead, and then I should also receive the same WhatsApp message that I'll be sending to my lead. So here let's open our WhatsApp. And here I can see I have instantly received both of these messages. This is the message that I'll be sending to my lead, and this is the message that I want to receive. Here as you can see, the name has been replaced with this latest user name. Hello latest user, thank you for reaching out to Nexus Marketing. And the rest of the message is same that we have created in AiSensy. And here also I have received this message, new inquiry alert. Here the name of the user was latest user, email address was latest@pabblytudes.com, and this was the mobile number this time. Now to summarize, we took Typeform as our trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect, submitted a form and received the response over here. After which we moved to the next step, which is action step, where we selected our action application as WhatsApp by AiSensy. We entered the campaign name, entered the mobile number, the username and the template parameter, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as this message being received in my WhatsApp. And then again I took WhatsApp by AiSensy as my next action application, where I entered the campaign name, entered the mobile number and then the username. Then I entered all the template parameter that I had in my template in AiSensy. Simply clicked on the save and send test request and received that response as message in my WhatsApp number here. So we have successfully created automation between Typeform and WhatsApp by AiSensy with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.